Chicken vegetable noodles. Fantastic. Really easy method this one is, and it tastes absolutely divine. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So there's absolutely tons of stuff here on the table. Hard to get it in frame. Let's take a look at everything that we have. So the essentials are chicken. I've got some chicken there. It's got a little bit of skin on it as well. It's breast chicken and a little bit of thigh chicken. There is about 2 to 3 cups of chicken there. Noodles, these are called Canton noodles. You don't have to soak these. We're going to cook them straight into the pot. You can soak them if you want, but we're going to go straight in the pot because we've got here some chicken stock, like a pint or just over a pint. Here we've got salt and pepper, garlic, onion, like a cup of onion. Here I've got just under a cup of soy sauce. You can use dark soy or light, and then a quarter of oyster sauce. Okay, they're your essentials. Everything else you can add as you want. So I've got a little bit of celery here. I've got some carrots, bell peppers, zucchini, broccoli, green beans, cauliflower, green onions, and the only thing I've not mentioned is here is just a little tad, like a teaspoon or so of lemon juice. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a wok or a big pot or something like that. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want. In goes the 1 cup of the onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you wanted, you could be adding some ginger to this. I'm not. And then we're going to get our chicken. And I've got a mixture here, like I say, of breast and thigh. So some white meat and some dark meat. We're on an above medium heat. I'm not on full blast, but it's quite high. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so this has been going like 5 minutes. Now, look, I've put some skin in there. Now, I like the skin in there because it adds a load of flavor. It also produces a little bit of oil. If you don't want to do that, take the skin off. I know some people don't like to have skin in there, but I think it works wonders. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. In that goes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our stock. Now you can use a vegetable stock, chicken stock, it's up to you. I've got chicken here, so in this goes. Now that looks like loads, doesn't it? But don't worry, because there's plenty more going in here. And once we get the noodles in there, they're really going to absorb that, because we're going to put the noodles in dry and cook them that way. Okay, about 5 minutes. Stay on this, slightly above medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. We're well on our way. Beautiful. Okay, now, pretty much everything goes in. We're going to get our veg in. So I've got some cauliflower. I've got a little bit of celery. Now, anything goes. Like I say, green beans, bell peppers, carrots. And the carrots I've cut really nice and small and thin, as you can see. Some broccoli. You see it's filling up now, yeah? Some zucchini or courgette or kusa, whatever you want to call that. And then I've got some cabbage. I don't even think I mentioned that earlier. I think I might have missed that one out. But again, think about eggplants, think about mushrooms, things like that. There's just so many things you can get in here. All right, okay, we're going to stay on this lively heat. Not crazy heat, but lively. We're going to go for 5 more minutes. Look at that. That's really fabulous. Those veg are cooking out really nicely. Now, we're going to get the noodles in, but first I'm going to get some other bits in. So I'm going to put in a little dash of lemon juice or lime juice, some oyster sauce, like a quarter of a cup or something, and then about half a cup of a soy. In that goes. Let's give that a little mix. Now it's still looking like a big old soup, isn't it? But don't worry, because the noodles are coming. Now I'm going to add Canton noodles. Now with Canton noodles, you can put them in just like this. Other noodles you can't. So check the label of the noodles that you think you're going to be using, because a lot of them just won't work in there. But these ones, Canton, work really well. Okay, what we're going to do is, it's going to take, once they're got water on them or moisture on them, it's going to take about 3 minutes only for them to cook. So I'm just going to spoon this around, get it in, see in about 3 or 4 minutes. So you can see our noodles have done their job, haven't they? Because that was a huge amount of liquid in there. They've soaked up quite a lot as they've cooked. Okay, look, one more thing. I've got some green onions, scallions, or spring onions, whatever you call them, in the mix. Beautiful. Just one more little mix there. This is ready to serve. Beautiful. All right, and there you go. You've got a massive bowl there. It's probably enough for 3 or 4 people, I would say. Delicious chicken, vegetable, noodles, nice and easy. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.